energy is sweating. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, it's your girl Fantasia, aka Fantasia Destiny, and welcome back to another video. As you could see by the title, your girl is nervous, but yes, I'm about to give myself a Brazilian wax. And your girl is nervous, like I'm hot, I'm sweating. I don't know if I could do this, but I need to get it done. So let's get straight into the video. So I got a little secret to tell you guys. It's been like over a month since I got a wax, so I don't know how this is about to go, but I ordered it from Amazon. I was trying to watch videos of what other people ordered from Amazon. This was like $20 or $30, I think, and it's the Bella Verde, and it comes with the wax heater, which is on the floor heating up the wax. It came with 5 bags of the wax beads, some gloves, an after wax spray, pre-waxing spray, and 2 different types of popsicle sticks to rub the wax across. And I also got my baby powder that I found in the house. So I'm so scared, but I hope this goes good. If not, then I'm gonna have to go get a wax. But I'm tired of paying $60-something for a wax every month, because before I used to go to this other girl, and me and my sister used to only have to pay $50 for the 2 of us, but she's not waxing anymore. So you got to do what you got to do, because your girl needs to save some coins. Yeah. All right, so right now, obviously you guys aren't gonna see me do it, but right now I'm gonna, what the hell, I'm about to put the pre-waxing spray on, but I don't understand how this come out. Let's use this. Did you just break my needle? Oh, I got it. So we're about to put the pre-waxing spray on. I hope this don't mess my skin, because my skin is very much sensitive. Ew. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for this stuff to melt, and I'll be right back with you guys. So I think it's still too hot, but the girl's just like, test it on your arm first. And if it's, it's hot. Yeah, it's definitely too hot. So first I'm gonna do like my belly, like the bottom part of my belly as a test strip, and then we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. I wish I didn't have to do this. I'm over here sweating. Let me put my AC on. So while we're waiting, get into the lace, baby. Get into the lace. Fantasia, who is she? I am her. Period. Come at me. Try not to make a mess in my room. So pull the skin taut. Ah! Come on. Help me. I can't do it. And this is just my stomach. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can't do it. Breathe, Fantasia. Pain is temporary. Oh no, I can't do this. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. How do they do this? 1, 2, 3. No, I can't do it. Gosh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my. Oh no. I don't know how I'm about to do this for the other part. Yeah, I don't know if I could do this. I do not know if I could do this. Oh shit, it's hot. Oh my god. Jesus, why did I do this? Ow! One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my coochie is sweating. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Freaking hurt. But I got the hairs off. I need to take a break. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna put some powder on. Hurry up, put powder on. Because I'm over here sweating. Ugh, ugh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it's stuck on the hairs. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut those off. Tasia, your mom didn't raise no wimp. You got this. You got this. You got this. I don't got this. I don't got this. Okay. I count to 3. We just gonna rip it off, Tasia. We just gonna rip it off. 1. Oh my god. Why did I do this? 1, 2. Wait, if I put it, yeah, okay. So 1, 2. Oh, it didn't even rip off. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. What the? Okay, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, look at the hair. This is crazy. It's so much better if someone else does it. I don't know how y'all do this little lip thing, but I'm struggling to put that. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3. So now we're just doing the side on the legs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this junk hurts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you don't get nothing. So this is the scary part. Oh my gosh, I'm bleeding. And this very much looks a mess. One, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Oh, oh, that one hurt. I need to go to a professional because this is not it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not ripping. 1, 2, 3. It's still not ripping. And I'm getting hot. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2. Ah, I'm a beast. It's like I'm just making a mess. I don't know how I'm about to rock my Gucci. Lord, please, please, just please pray for me right now. Like, you know I can't do this, but I need you to protect me. I'm even here. I'm on the lips now, the top part. Oh no. I can't. I gotta put my legs up for this one. We're on the inner lips and your girl is about to die. I'm not ready. Did it dry? The things we do as girls, crazy. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This feels worse. And they lie to you. Whenever they tell you it gets better over time, it's a scam. I've been doing this for how many months? And it hurts every time. It doesn't get better. 2, 3. Oh my God. 1, 2, 2, 3. I can't do this no more. I can't. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I can't do this no more. It hurts. It's so much faster when somebody else does it, but I'm over here in pain. I'm dying. It's like, I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna leave it up to the professionals. I'm gonna just leave it how it is. It is what it is at this point. So I'm gonna see you guys next time. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.